Okay. Now, let's take a look at this problem. And when I ran it, nothing happened. So then, first thing I noticed when I went to the code is that there's no second power on here. Now that shouldn't affect it not running. But here I'm going to do my math.pow, and then that core 1 minus core 2 to, and then this will be math.pow, core 3 minus core 4 2. Okay. Like I say, that won't affect it not running. Now this lack of capital M here might. Okay, so you got C1. Now it really does help on some of these your variable names match the formula. They don't have to, but see how C1 is first here and C2 is second. So this is going to be X1 and this will be Y1. So when you subtract these, you shouldn't be subtracting core 1 minus core 2. You'll actually core 1 minus core 3 and core 2 minus core 4. Because you subtract your X values squared, you subtract your Y values and squared. Now let's just run that and see how that looks. 5, 1, 3, 2. Okay, other issues. Output div. I see an uppercase O there, but there's a lowercase o right up here. I want to change that. Save that. Refresh this. 5, 1, 3, 2. Still nothing. Okay, output div enter HTML equals the distance between. Okay, you got some issues here. Need a single quote on that. Distance between this. Now, if you want it to actually print the values, you have to close off the string plus core 1 plus, and then that close off the string plus core 2 plus single quote over to here plus core 3 plus close off that plus core 4 is plus distance with uppercase D. Okay, that looks right. Let's try that. So we got 5, 1, 3, 2. Nothing still. Okay. C1, C2, C3, C4. C1, C2, C3, C4, they're all value, parse float, those are all right. Get element by ID, get element by ID, all the way down there, that looks fine. Distance is equal to math.square root, math.pow, plus math.pow, document.get element by ID, output div.in, distance between, I am not seeing it yet. Okay, just line things up so I can look for anything that's, if you got them lined up, you can see if anything looks askew. Like one has a different letter than the other. I don't see anything there. Distance equals math.square root, beginning parentheses for the square root. Here's a beginning parentheses to a pow, closing parentheses, beginning parentheses, closing parentheses, closing parentheses. Alert distance. So let's come over here and refresh this. 5, 1, 3, 2. It's not getting down to the alert. Is it getting down to here? Let's see. So 5, 1, 3, 2. Not even getting down to there. Well, the question is it even getting in here at all? Refresh this. 5, 1, 3, 2. Okay, so it is getting there. But it doesn't like something about this, because it's not getting to the line right after that. Okay, what's wrong then? Core 1 is equal to parse float dot or document dot get element by ID C1. Alert core 1. Five, 1, 3, 2. Right here, 5. How bizarre. And let me go down the line. Alert core 2. Alert core 3. Alert core 4. Probably looking right at it and I just don't see it. 5, 1, 3, 2. Right here, 5, 1. Doesn't like this one right here. So what in the world's wrong with that? Parse float document dot get element by ID dot value. I'm not seeing anything wrong there. Oh, up here in C3, there's not a closing double quote there. It looks like same thing over here. That's what's wrong. Okay, so refresh that. 5, 1, 3, 2. Great distance right here. 5, 1, 3, 2. But nothing. Did it get down distance? It didn't get down distance, did it? Oh, these are lowercase c's. That's going to be uppercase C. Uppercase C. It has to match these variable names exactly. There we go. Get rid of my alerts. Ah, what did I delete there? Okay, so let's save that. Refresh this. I got 5, 1, 3, 2. 2.23. That's right, but it's not printing it out right. Div ID, that looks right. Output div equals inner h.nmh equals a distance between plus core 1 plus core 2 plus core 3 plus core 4. Distance is coming down there correctly. Oh, those are lowercase c's again. There we go. Refresh that. 5, 1, 3, and 2. And that looks like all issues.